Peer pressure is influence from other people your age to think, act, or feel a certain way so you'll be accepted. Most people think of peer pressure as being only bad, but it can be good. Maybe your friends have inspired you to volunteer for a good cause, try new activities, work hard, or be loyal. Those are good things, right? Positive peer pressure influences you to behave responsibly. Peer pressure is negative when it encourages unhealthy, unsafe, or illegal behaviors. Negative peer pressure might make you feel pressured to try smoking, drugs or alcohol, cheating, or shoplifting. You might think that no one could ever make you want to try those things, but trust me, peer pressure can be seriously intense. Some people even use manipulation to pressure you. Manipulation is influence that's unfair or dishonest. Guilt trips, bribery, threats, or blackmail are all types of manipulation. Have you ever experienced any of those?